Feeling pain or fever? Most Americans reach for this common medicine, Tylenol. But is it always safe? Let's find out. Tylenol is the brand name for acetaminophen, a widely used over-the-counter medication. It's commonly used to reduce fever and relieve mild to moderate pain like headaches, muscle aches, back pain, toothaches, or menstrual cramps. So, how does it work? Tylenol blocks certain chemicals in the brain that signal pain and increase body temperature. Unlike NSAIDs such as ibuprofen, it does not reduce inflammation, but it's gentler on the stomach and safe for most people, including children and the elderly. But is it safe for children? Yes, children's Tylenol is specially formulated with the right dosage. However, always follow the dosage instructions carefully or consult a pediatrician. Taking too much can be very dangerous, even life-threatening, due to the risk of liver damage. Now, what are the side effects? While Tylenol is safe when used correctly, excessive use can lead to serious problems like liver damage, nausea, vomiting, or even liver failure in extreme cases. Never take more than 4,000 milligrams per day as an adult, and avoid mixing it with alcohol or other medicines that contain acetaminophen. Let's compare Tylenol with ibuprofen. Both reduce pain and fever, but ibuprofen also reduces inflammation, something Tylenol doesn't do. However, Tylenol is easier on the stomach and a better choice for people with ulcers or stomach issues. Ibuprofen may irritate the stomach but poses less risk to the liver. Tylenol is available in many forms: tablets, liquid syrup for kids, extra-strength capsules, and Tylenol PM, which includes a sleep aid. So what's the takeaway? Tylenol is safe when used responsibly. Always read the label, avoid double dosing, and consult a doctor if you have any concerns. Have you used Tylenol before? Let us know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tea.